Hello and welcome to this lecture, Dimensional Strategy Formulation. Please go through the course a few times and create a strategy for your business so that you can have explosive growth in coming 12 months. Here, you need to formulate a strategy for your business, or if you are a business student, you can put yourself in the driving seat of a business and complete this assignment. When you go through this checklist and answer the questions in the checklist, your answers will form a set of action steps which will act as your strategy, which will increase your revenue by over 50% in the coming 12 months. It might take some effort, but don't worry. It takes time and nothing is perfect. After a few months, you will be writing down crisp, clean, and actionable steps when you will answer these questions. There is always a learning curve, and you have to understand that practice makes a man perfect. The 8 dimensions will forge your optimal business strategy in 3 steps. Any of the first 2 steps can be done first. So there is no restriction. Also, the action points resulting from the first step can be potentially identified in the second step, and that is perfectly fine. After the completion of both the steps, simply combine the action points under each dimension in the third step, which is called Dimensional Strategy Description. Here, the final action points under each dimension are listed by combining the action points from both the steps for that dimension and for every dimension. And the action points that appear twice are mentioned once. This results in a problem-centric, result-focused, and optimal business strategy which will increase your revenue by over 50% with pessimistic estimate in the next 12 months. From that point onwards, you just need to be resourceful and take action to take your business to the next level. As you will see, both steps adopt a diagnostic, exploratory, and problem-centric approach to strategy formulation instead of illustrative, and therefore the blind spots are mitigated. Unlike the SWOT analysis where the main focus is on illustration and the diagnostic step goes to the background. So the diagnostic process, which comes after the descriptive process where you mention strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, dilutes and suppresses the actual problems, and therefore the blind spots are left behind. I have observed that whenever the illustrative process acts as a precursor or as a first step to the diagnostic process, the blind spots are always left behind. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's keep on learning.